Another sorting we have for the structure is the staggered form of ethane. The next sorting is staggered, which is displayed in this way. This form is the staggered form. Let's review the structure once more and redraw it to understand its concepts. In the staggered form, unlike the eclipsed form, the bonds of the front atom do not align with the bonds of the back atom. Look here. This hydrogen exactly, look, is positioned between these two hydrogens. Do you see? Why? Because this hydrogen is on the plane and these two hydrogens are towards the inside and outside of the plane, and it is exactly positioned between them. Do you see? The same thing happens for the hydrogen at the bottom. This hydrogen is on the plane and these hydrogens are towards the inside and outside of the plane. So if we want to look at this as well, see this hydrogen is exactly positioned between these two hydrogens. So the difference with the eclipsed form is that the front and back bonds do not align with the front and back atoms. So let's once again look at this structure. Using the structures, see, I write these two carbons. Well, I have hydrogen. This hydrogen is upwards and on the plane, so I draw it with a straight line. This hydrogen is directed towards. It's inside the plane and positioned at the bottom, so I draw it as a dash. This hydrogen is actually pointing out of the plane. If you look again, this one was inside. This hydrogen is pointing outward, so it's at the bottom. Now, about these two hydrogens. Well, this hydrogen is pointing into the plane. Look, it means it's placed behind and is at the top. And this hydrogen is pointing out of the plane and is placed at the top. Look together, it should be out of the plane, and the next hydrogen is placed at the bottom and is on the plane. Look at the difference with these two hydrogens. The difference with this hydrogen compared to these two is that it is neither pointing outwards like this one, nor inwards like this hydrogen. Look, it is neither outwards nor inwards. In fact, it is placed on the plane, so it is drawn downwards with a regular line. So these forms are exactly equivalent to this form. And it is the staggered conformation. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you found this video useful, follow the channel for new videos, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends.